Alright, this is how to get the gear wheel off of your CP3. I'm working on LB7. So this gear goes on like that. There's this nut, and then, or this washer, and then this nut here. And they show you to take a strap wrench, put it on this gear, and then take an anti-mar hammer and beat on this nut. And I mean, my arm is sore from beating on that so hard. It would not come loose. And what I ended up doing was taking an 8mm Allen wrench, cut it, and it fits nice and tight in this shaft here. And put my strap wrench on there, and I mean, it took probably 2 taps and this thing came loose. So the idea obviously is not to mar anything and try and keep your old one in best condition as you could if you're gonna send it back as a core or sell it as a core. So anyway, I was on YouTube looking around and I didn't see anything, so just figured I'd throw that tech tip out there. 8mm, sacrifice one, chop it off, put it in there, hit it with a good size hammer with your strap wrench holding the gear, and it'll come right off. So, and then I'm going to go ahead and add how to get your mounting flange off. So after you take your 3 bolts from the front side of the CP3 out, you're going to be able to rotate this flange. And then basically what you're going to do is rotate this flange. You'll see where it aligns. You're going to stuff 2 washers underneath here, run this bolt back through the top side, stuff a washer underneath there, and we're going to go ahead and take a 12mm and just work our way back and forth, tightening these, and that's going to pull this flange up. So can't hold the camera and do it, but we're going to try it and see what happens. Alright, so I got these backed out. They worked out pretty well. I did have to add a nut in between these 2 washers, and as you can see, the idea is so that we don't mar the old CP3, but I just had a 3/8 ratchet wrench on this and it worked real well. I just went back and forth between these and it pulled right up and that came off. And as you can see, we got no damage to our old CP3. So hope this helps you guys. Good luck.